Good morning, guys. Lillian with Lily Ray's Collection. I am back from vacation. During my vacation, I was unable to film. I was having a lot of difficulties with sound, and just a couple of things did not work for me. So I am back here in Central Florida, and I did promise to have a giveaway when I returned. I was supposed to do a giveaway for January, February, and now March. It's one giveaway a month, and in order to join that giveaway, you have to leave a comment below any video that that you like, or just any video, if you want to enter the giveaway. So I have the YouTube comment picker, and that is what we're going to do right now. I believe I haven't used this in a minute. Let's see if it's going to pick someone. Kathy D, I think she won the last giveaway. So Kathy D will be receiving one of my little girls. This you could stick into a planner. You can, I don't know, you could use it however you want. You could put it in your journal book. But she is a little girl that I sketch out, color, and then I start to use other elements in order to create this beautiful tag. So Kathy D will be getting this one. Now, let me see if I grab another video that has comments. And again, the videos have to have comments, otherwise I can't even pick the video. So let me go back to my page here. And we are going to select, I think, this one. It's hard to tell which have comments here. Okay, just give me a minute. All right, let me do this and I will be right back just to find some videos that have comments. Okay, I'm back. Let's see if this one works. Done here. This was get comment and start. Joyce McClintock, I believe that is the last name. Joyce, if you are watching this video, you are the winner for the second giveaway, which covers the month of February. Please leave me a comment in Messenger, and I will send you your winnings. Now, please leave your address so that I can send you that. And now, this is the one that Joyce has won. This is a different tag. This is a vintage tag. So this is what Joyce has won. Okay, that's two. So we have Michelle as a winner for January. We have Joyce as the winner for February. And now we are at the beginning of March. So at the end of March is when I will have my giveaway for the month of March. And right now it will be tags, but again, we're going to be making some things, some current items, current tags for the prize. I will also be making backgrounds so that I can have that as a item for the winner. All right. All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining me today, and I will be uploading a video today. And I want to say hello and welcome to all of my new subscribers. Please don't forget to leave your comments down below so that you can win a prize. And I will also be giving away some journals that I've already made in the past for you to win. All right, guys. Take care, and thanks again.